Hello, it's Mr. Leatherwood and
Miss Mitchell.
and today we're revisiting the idea of improper fractions and mixed numbers. Except the last time we went from an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now we're going to start with a mixed number and go to an improper fraction. Just a refresher, an improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Miss Mitchell, could you give us an idea or an example of what that would be?
Of an improper fraction?
Yes.
How about 9/5?
9/5. In the last video we did some models, so if you want to go look at some video or some models, you can go look at the other video. How about a mixed number, a number with a whole number and a fraction? What would be a good example of that?
How about 1 and 3/4?
Very good. You'll notice it has the whole number of 1 and the fraction of 3/4. Okay. So today we're going to practice going from a mixed number to an improper fraction. So let's start with a mixed number. Any ideas?
Let's use the 2 and 3/5.
2 and 3/5. Now I'm going to teach you the long way of doing it. Okay? The long way of doing it is I have the whole number of 2. So I know that 1 would be 5 over 5. I know that that equals a whole. So since I have 2 of them, I would do 5 over 5 plus 5 over 5. And then I need to add my fraction as well. So when I do that, I have 5 over 5 plus 5 over 5 plus 3 over 5. And 5 plus 5 plus 3 gives me 13 over 5. So my mixed number has now turned into 13/5. What do you think?
Wow.
Pretty snazzy, huh?
Yeah.
Now there is a much easier way, or I guess we can call it a shortcut way. Aren't they great?
Mm-hmm.
So Miss Mitchell is going to show you how to do a shortcut method of going from a mixed number to an improper fraction.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds great.
All right.
Okay, let me get all situated here. All right, so let's say I have, oh, give me a mixed number.
Let's do 3 and 3/9.
3/9. Okay, so our shortcut is going to be, since 9 is tells us the whole, how many whole parts there are, we're going to say, well, we have 3 wholes, so 3 times 9 is 27, I think, right?
Yes, that is correct.
And then we have 3 extras that are left over, so we're going to add those additional 3. And 27 plus 3 is 30. So now we have 30 total pieces, and then 9 is our groups. Alright, let's erase this and do one more, if I can get this to work. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, here we go.
Oh, yay!
Yes, done. All right, let's pick another one.
Let's do.
This is like a game.
Let's do 5
5
and 2/5.
and 2/5. All right, so remember that 5 tells us how many total parts there are, and we have 5 wholes. So we're going to multiply 5 times 5. That's going to give us 25. Then we have 2 extra fifths that we need to add. So we're going to add those extras. 25 plus 2 is
27.
27. So now we have 27 pieces that have been cut into fifths. So we have 27 fifths.
Yay.
Easy cheesy. Lemon. Squeezy.
Squeezy. I got it. Very cool. All right. One way that we can turn a mixed number into an improper fraction is using a model. So, Miss Mitchell, if you'll give me a nice, easy mixed number to mess with.
Okay, I like how you preface that with easy.
Yes, easy would be nice.
How about 1 1/4?
Okay. 1 1/4. So I'm going to draw a model of 1 1/4. I know since it's 1 1/4, I'm going to need 2 blocks or 2 arrays. And I'm going to cut, since we know that it's going to be fourths, I'm going to go ahead and cut both my models into fourths. So I have a hole, so I'm going to color in my hole. So there's 1 1/4. Would you agree?
I would agree.
Okay. To turn it into an improper fraction, all I need to do is count how many are shaded in. So I'm going to go back and I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. 5 parts over what my hole is cut into, which would be 4 equal parts. So 5/4 is going to be the same as 1 1/4. Does that make sense?
It does.
Let's try another one just to make sure.
Phenomenal sense.
Ooh, phenomenal sense. Let's see if we can delete it. So let's, Miss Mitchell, give me one that's a little trickier.
Okay, how about 2 5/6?
2 5/6. So I know I'm at least going to have 2, but since I have 5/6 also, I need 3 arrays. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them into 6 equal parts. So that's 6 somewhat equal parts. And then I'm going to color in my 2 holes somewhat effectively.
It's a little sloppy, but
A little bit.
That's fine.
2 holes, and then I'm going to color in 5 out of 6. So this really helps me because now all I have to do is go back and count how many I've got shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I would have 17 out of 6, or 17/6, excuse me. 17/6 would equal 2 5/6. Groovy?
Groovy.
Do you have anything to add?
No, I think you did a wonderful job.
Yay. Here, we'll put a cloud around it. Clouds are always fun. And smiley faces are fun too.
You are a doodle bug.
Yeah. It's kind of looking at you.
I think the kids are waiting for us.
If you
Pick
don't
'em up
know,
from recess.
Miss Mitchell is right there.
Hello.
And Mr. Leatherwood
Okay, just in the...
is down here.
Do I have bigger eyes than you do?
A little bit.
You apparently have no nose.
And yeah, no nose. I don't smell very good. Okay, see you
Goodbye.
guys.